Hello and welcome to the April 2024 DSCR loan update. I am Daniel Sperling-Horowitz with OfferMarket, and today is a pretty interesting day. The 5-year treasury is at 4.7%, which is a nearly 1% rise so far year to date, and that brings the DSCR loan interest rate to 8 to 8.25%, right in that range. So we were originating a lot of DSCR loans up until about a week ago in the mid to high 7s, and the rates have spiked up into the 8 and above level. And why is that happening? It's happening because economic data is indicating that inflation is not yet under control and might be accelerating. So the market's expectations that the Federal Reserve will make interest rate cuts have been reset, and the expectation is now that there might not be any interest rate cuts, and in fact it's possible that the Federal Reserve may need to increase interest rates. We do not expect that will happen, but we certainly don't expect to see any rate cuts this year, and if there is a rate cut, it might be 25 basis points, 0.25%. And that's already sort of priced into the market. So there's a lot of volatility with interest rates right now, and that's affecting rental property investors. We think it's important to just set your expectations for continued volatility. Consider a lower prepayment penalty. Obviously, a lower prepayment penalty will increase your interest rate, but if you think interest rates are going to come down in the next 2 or 3 years, maybe a 3-2-1 prepayment penalty will work better for you than a 5-4-3-2-1 5-year prepayment penalty. So the only other major update that I have for our DSCR loan program is that we are now offering a no minimum DSCR option. So if you own properties in markets where there's a large spread between the value of the property and the market rent that it generates, we will actually not even factor in DSCR, but we will cap the loan amount to 70% LTV. So this could work really well if you're in markets like New York or California, or even certain parts of Florida. There's going to be a higher emphasis, of course, on borrower creditworthiness, because we're doing less underwriting on the individual rental property in this case. Aside from that, I wanted to also share a related program update. We have a loan program that we call our Fix and Rent loan, and this is a bundle of a fix and flip loan on the front end to purchase and renovate the property, and then a DSCR loan refi on the back end with no or low seasoning. And when you use this Fix and Rent bundle, which is becoming very popular with our rental property investors, you earn tremendous savings really on the back end. On that DSCR refi, you're getting major discounts on lender fees. So if that's something that fits your strategy, we'd love the opportunity to help you, and you can centralize all of your lending needs with OfferMarket. If there's any questions or comments, please post them here on YouTube, and we would love for you to subscribe and stay tuned for future updates. If there's any way that we can help you, head on over to offermarket.us. You can get an instant loan quote, and you can also access exclusive investment properties posted on our investment property marketplace. These are properties posted by wholesalers, tired landlords, and distressed sellers. Our goal is to help you grow your rental property portfolio, and thanks so much for watching our video. Have a great day.